know who am I? I'm sure you don't know me because my name is Mr. Santa Claus. Do you know me? I don't think so. Okay, I'm here to tell you that. Where shall I wear this? Where shall I have to wear these kind of clothes? Yes, in order to say Happy New Year! I love you all so much, my dear students. Oh, I said my dear students. So now you know that I'm Teacher Sonia. Okay, I'm Teacher Sonia. By the way, Happy New Year! I love you all to the moon and back. And I want to see you here as soon as possible for the new year. And I want to tell you that I am your Teacher Sonia and I'm just wearing this kind of mustache. Now you can recognize me. Hello, how are you? And I played that song in order to tell you, oh, my hat, in order to tell you Happy New Year. And now let's start our class. Look at here. As you know, I said we are in the new year. It is 2021. I hope this year to be the year for our dreams to become true and to come back to school again. So, do you like my shirt? Do you like it? It's like for saying Happy New Year and for those stuff, and it is red, by the way. I know you know. So today we have a different letter we have to talk about, and that letter is really easy peasy. How? Because it is so easy. I don't know. Let us watch this video, then we're gonna talk about it together. Yes. Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter I. This is a capital I. This is the lowercase I. You know how the I looks now. Let's make the letter I sound. E. Yes. I is for insect. Insects. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for internet. Internet. I is for ink. I is for injury. I is for imagination. You know some I words now. Let's make the letter I sound. E. Your turn. I. So, as you watch it here, we have had what? We have had a very nice and easy letter. The letter is I. You say, teacher, how can we write down letter I? Okay, just calm down, sit down, listen to me. I'm telling you that for writing down letter I, you need only one straight line. That's it. That is the letter I. And if I write it down there, look, my marker is not working good. I'm coming down from up. Come. That's it. That is letter I. You know how easy it is. For example, if I say in the other classes or in the other lessons, I say, who can tell me how can we write down I? Don't say, teacher, I don't know, okay? Don't say it because you have to know it. It is so easy. It is just one straight line, nothing else. No top, no bottom, no middle, nothing. It is just one straight line. That is for the uppercase. But listen, it was for the uppercase I. I didn't talk about the lowercase. Lowercase may be difficult. Who knows? Maybe hard. No, it is also easy. Come on, don't confuse. So, uppercase is one straight line. What about the lowercase? Don't look at it. The lowercase is also one straight line, but it is shorter. For example, your mom and your dad. Your dad is taller. Your mom is a little bit shorter. Don't tell your mom. Shh. Okay? So your dad is a little bit taller and your mom is a little bit shorter. So we have the uppercase I. It is longer or taller. So it is the uppercase I and one straight line. The lowercase I, it is again and also one straight line but shorter. Then, ta-da! One dot at the top. Only one dot at the top. That was all for writing down the letter I. And I'm telling you that for the uppercase I, 3 lines. For the lowercase I, 2 lines. That's it, just like the other letters. I hope you all to see you in the school again. And let me tell you a surprise. Teacher Hawkar said, after saying Happy New Year and after the 2nd of January 2021, we are coming back to school again. Yes. So thanks for being there and listening to me all those times we watched these videos I'm sending you. So thank you so much. I love you all so much, my 1st grade students. Bye bye.